Are you looking to make money online? Fiverr might be the answer. Fiverr is an online marketplace connecting freelancers with buyers. It's a platform where anyone can sign up and sell their services for as low as $5. Sellers create gigs, get orders, deliver work, and receive payments. Fiverr simplifies the payment process, ensuring sellers get paid for their work. Setting up a Fiverr account is straightforward. Create a seller profile, list your gigs, market them, process orders, and receive payments. From writing to web research, there are numerous gig ideas to explore on Fiverr. Your ability to make money largely depends on what you're selling and the quality of your services. Yes, you can make good money on Fiverr by marketing your gigs to the right audience and consistently delivering high-quality work. Create an impactful profile, optimize it for online visibility, create an online portfolio, ask for referrals, earn 5-star ratings, and communicate with buyers to maximize your success. Learning how to make money on Fiverr is easy if you follow the tips in this article. Start your freelancing journey today.